Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to see how to use property, which is a built-in function of our classes, which we have seen in the previous video. So how to use property function using a decorator. So basically, a decorator is something which is used to reduce our efforts and to reduce our coding. So how do it happens, or we can say that how to use it and execute the code is going to I'm going to show you in this video. So basically this is a program which I have already built, and you can get this the code of this program in my GitHub account, and I have given the code link in the description below. So basically what we need is that we have created a class called employee, and it has the following parameters like first name, last name and pay, which is the salary of that employee. And the email address is created through the first name and adding a dot between the first name and the last name, and at the rate company.com. So this is how the his email ID is created by default. And another thing which we have used decorator for class method. So basically what we are doing is we are getting a string which contains our name, surname and salary separated by a slash, or we can say that minus sign, and we are passing it to a class method called fromString, which takes first parameter as a class name, which is here we can see that employee, and the second parameter as employee string, and later on this is passed to the first, last, pay equals to that, and we are splitting the values through minus sign. So what this happens is that when we are splitting it, so John is saved in first, Do is saved in last, and the 70,000, which is his salary, is saved in pay. And we are returning a class, so this value is passed in the initial, we can say that constructor, and saved the value, and we are converting the pay into an integer. Later on we are using a decorator of property. So sorry for silence. Basically we are using a decorator of property, and here what we are doing is, here we are using a function name full name, which where we doesn't pass any values, or we can say that arguments. So basically it keep just getting a instance of the class. So and the way we have another user property full name dot setter. We have seen in the previous video. If you don't know about what is setter is the function which is used to set a specific value of a, we can say that property function, or whichever values we just set. So setter is that, we have deleter, and we don't have, we can say that to initialize a constructor, or here I need to show you this. Yeah, this. plus that's it. And basically this is not the one which I want to show you. Okay, um just wait for a second. I just So here it is. I forgot. So here it is. I think so. This is the function. Oh, sorry. This is not the one. So the last function which I want to show you, I can't find out right now, is just a getter. So what a getter can do, getter is just a default function which is a full name which works as a getter. If you want to know more about that, then you can prefer my old videos which I've in the previous video which I've created. So here is it. So we can use this decorator or a you can say the property function as a function, or as a, we can say that method or a property itself. That's what its name is. Alright. So let's just see. So here we can see, you can see that I'm just giving it ground brackets, and here I'm not giving a ground brackets. So what happens now? Just I just need to show you, not callable. Yeah. So what does it do? It just converts this. So you can see that this is a function and which is converted into, as I have shown you in the previous video. So in this, actually I doesn't need it, but I showing you because I want to show you. Sorry for that. Again, make you understand that this. So basically, in the last video, there is a huge code for that is just solved, or a complicated code is just using a simple line at the rate property, which is decorator. So this how the decorator helps you to reduce the code, and using all that functionality of a property function, the decorator converts the function with an ease. So this is how decorator works. So in the next video I'm going to explain you about a dunder function, or we can say that operator overloading. And if you are new to this channel, you can please subscribe my channel. I generally makes videos on the Python programming. And if you have any suggestion or what type of videos to make, and if you have didn't like anything about this video, then please write me on the comment section. And thank you for watching.